So guys, the next item I'm going to share with you is this lippy by Maybelline New York, and this one is Super Stay Matte Ink. I absolutely love this and I'm wearing it, guys. It's so good. You know, sometimes you wear the mattifying lippies and they dry out and they crack. This one doesn't do it at all. And I don't know if it's because I moisturize my lips first, which I think you should really. I moisturize my lips first before I put this on. I am wearing it right now. I'm just gonna, there's no mirror, so, oh, I love it. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and it's number 80 ruler. It says ruler. I don't know why they would give such a pretty lippy a name like that, but it's called ruler and it's number 80, just in case if you want to buy that. And once again is Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. Suits me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you used it before? If you have, let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I will leave the link in the description box just in case if you want to buy it, so you can grab one for yourself and look absolutely gorgeous like I look right now. I did not use any lip liner, so you don't need lip liner for this, but you can if you want to. What I do is I moisturize my lips first with like with a Vaseline or just like a clear lip gloss, and then I pop this on. I don't use any lip liner, but you can if you want to. But as you can see, I don't actually need a lip liner. It's so beautiful. Oh, I like it. The next item is a blusher or a blush, whatever you call it where you come from, but I call it blusher anyway. I really like this color, guys. I don't even know, I don't think it should. Okay, let me take it back where the light is not so much on it so you can see. I absolutely love this. It just gives me that bronzer tone. So when I put it on and then I dab my highlighter, it's just so beautiful. And I got it from Superdrugs and it's called Bittersweet. Like, if I'm going for that natural look where I just want to do the natural kind of like look makeup, this works perfectly well for me because it serves as a bronzer. Let me just dab it so you can see. You can't really see it properly because I've got another blusher on. Hold on. Can you see? Can you see? Sorry guys, I'm sweating. It's so hot. Can you see? Oh, so beautiful. I'll see if I can leave the link in the description box below as well so that you can grab one for yourself if you want to. My final item. Now, this might sound uninteresting, but it is interesting to me. And I'll tell you why. My shower gel plays a big role in the morning. That is why I go for a particular smell in the morning. It's something that helps wake me up, something that reminds me of something. And I've found few shower gels before, but this one is knocking each and every one of them out of the way. Guys, it's finishing. I'll buy another one tomorrow. This is absolutely wonderful. This is called Energize by Lacura from Aldi. Guys, I swear, I used to have an auntie in the 80s, right? Like I was you guys know I'm 42, right? Like I'm not a spring chicken, yeah? So if I say in the 80s or in the 90s, don't be too scared. I know I look too young for my age, but yeah. But I used to have an auntie that was incredibly glamorous and she always smelled so wonderful. This smell, I swear, reminds me of her and reminds me of my childhood, which I absolutely love. And I thought, what is in this thing? It's got lemongrass, and I don't know, it feels, and also it smells like it's got thyme in it, but it doesn't actually say on the bottle. But it has lemongrass, seaweed and marine extract with natural sea salt shower gel. It's called Energize. is the blue one in Aldi. Guys, honestly, go and try it and come back and comment in my comment section below and let me know what you think. But I absolutely love this. When I jump in the shower in the morning, it wakes me up, and the smell takes me back to the 80s and makes me so happy. I don't know, but I love it. So shower gel made it to my current favorite. I just absolutely love it. Well done, Aldi. Whoever came up with this thing should be given a pay rise. It's absolutely beautiful. I've not smelled any shower gel like it, so I love it. It made it to my favorite. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching and for joining me today. My next video will be on Makari review. So if you have a friend who is thinking about getting the Makari Naturalle Carotonic, grab her, get yourself a cup of tea and sit through, because I will be bringing it real soon. Okay, guys, I love you, and I shall see you guys again very soon. Mwah! Bye. I hope you're ready for the next video. I'm coming with a whole lot of attitude.